Hello everyone, this is Justin, an application specialist at Roctek International. Today we'll be going over how to use the edit mode to make quick fixes and handle change orders. Let's start with accessing the edit mode. First, head to the edit menu and then select edit items. From here, you will enter the edit mode. Once in the edit mode, you have two main areas that you'll be working with. The item list on the left and the new icons that are available in the center of the screen. The item list is every item that occurs in your takeoff listed by name and item number. If you select an item on screen with a left click, it will highlight that item on screen and in the item list. Alternatively, if you highlight an item on the list, it will also select it on screen. To select multiple items, first left click, hold, and then drag the mouse. To deselect multiple items, simply click one item. Once selected, you can change an item by using the icons along the top. To know what an item does, simply hover over it and you'll see a brief description. The most commonly used edit features are edit elevation, delete item, and edit item attributes, with the last option allowing you to change adjustments specifically for regions and pads. In order to leave the edit mode, simply select Finish. This will take you back to the main canvas. The main edit menu also has a few other options besides edit items. Region attributes will allow you to very quickly select a region and pull up the subgrade options. Revise LOD will allow you to throw away the limit of disturbance and redraw it. And edit job settings brings up the initial prompt when you first started the job. That allows you to change your elevation range, change your strip and adjustments, and even do more advanced things like change your grid cell density. You may not have noticed, but when we were doing this takeoff, we actually introduced a few errors. We're actually going to solve those now. The easiest to spot is an incorrect elevation. While in a sea of topos it may not be quite so simple, the Analyze feature gives you more than enough tools to quickly spot false elevations, in addition to the elevation range that you set up at the beginning of the job. In fact, if you input an item outside of the elevation range, whenever you hit Analyze, you will automatically be prompted by the job process alerts. Once in a shading map, it becomes quite obvious that the greatest change in elevation is centered around this object. You can either go to the edit mode and select edit items, or right-click near the item and select edit items from your context menu. From here, select the item that is incorrect and either select change elevation or common edit functions are also listed. We'll change the elevation from 88 to 8 and the error prompt will disappear. Other common uses for the edit mode is to adjust current line work. For instance, if we turn the drawing on, we can see that we've actually followed slightly incorrectly in this topographic line. If we select the line, zoom in, we'll see that this line is made up of lines connected by squares. Select inside the square once to highlight and again to move. Likewise, if you see that you've missed an island in a region, you can select the border of the region and select Subtract Region. To return to the canvas, simply select Finish. This concludes our edit video. To continue on to the reports video, simply allow the playlist to finish. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to call 800-826-7763.